Hey guys, Glenmurray Online. It's Monday. It's May 25th in my neck of the woods. I don't know what time it is for you, whenever you see this video. This video is about the fast way to make money online. And I'm talking about making an income that is passive income, recurring income. And I want to show you kind of the fast way so that you don't have to make any of the mistakes. Because most people get online and you make a ton of mistakes. Although mistakes are good. Anyways, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like videos on making money online and how to get started as an affiliate marketing. So first off, what's considered fast way to make money online? Well, some people think that you're going to make money overnight. That's really hard to do, guys. Like, the reality is it's really tough. Stick around. I'm going to show you like a really great program that can make you money like probably in 10 days. But really making money overnight, like just sort of like going boom and making that money overnight is really tough, especially if you're in affiliate programs that pay, 30 days out. So what happens is a lot of programs that you join will have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you will sell, let's say you sell a $2,500 product and your commission is going to be $1,000. And trust me, I will show you what program you can do that in. Sell a $2,500 program and make $1,000 commission. It's awesome when you make them. You're like, woohoo. Now, what happens is that the money is held for 30 days because that person has the right to do a refund. And you want to be in companies that have a refund policy. That means you have a good product, right? That means that they're confident in their product, that they're not going to get a whole bunch of refunds, which means that they know they're going to sell a lot of products. And then so it'll be 30 days, and then after the 30 days, it's usually you're paid within a week Friday kind of thing, whatever the timeline falls on. So that's some programs. Other programs are 30, and then 2 weeks after that they pay, or they run their pay schedule. A lot of programs now, which is great because it was so easy to do, like sort of online, either paying to a credit card, paying to a prepaid card, paying directly into your bank account for very inexpensive, especially if you're in North America. There's companies that are paying weekly now, guys, and it's great. It's nice to get, like, every Friday I get a paycheck. I get, hey, money was loaded onto your credit card. So what is the fast way to do it? Well, the fastest way to do it is, think about this. And let me back up here. What is affiliate marketing first? If you're brand new to affiliate marketing just means that you're an affiliate. You're basically a representative, an independent representative of a company, for someone where you're not an employee. All you're doing is recommending those services or that program or that product, and they're going to pay you a commission. That's all affiliate marketing is. And you want to look for a program that A, has been around for a while, B, the ownership is completely transparent. You don't have to go looking and guessing who the owners are. And C, you want something that has a recurring subscription. You want to do the work once, you want to get someone into that program, and then you want to make the commissions monthly as they pay the subscription. That's the goal. That's how you have consistent, regular income coming in, and you just keep growing that. You just keep scaling it. Now, what is the fast way to do it? Well, a lot of people are just running to social media and like just spamming everybody on social media. And by spam, I mean basically you're sending unsolicited messages to people saying, hey, I've got a brand new program, try this. Or, hey, you want to make money fast, try this, right? That's really not marketing. That is just spamming. If you want to do something like that, like, hey, I have a video on a fast way to make money online. Check out this video. Now, what you're doing is you're not just sending them to an affiliate link or a program, you're actually sending them to a piece of content that's going to educate them about what you then want to sell them, right? So a lot of people miss that key component. And if you don't want to be, if you don't want to do that part of it, like be sort of that middle person, the educator, then you're really going to have a hard time. You're probably you won't want to be doing affiliate marketing. You probably want to be doing something more like drop shipping or some sort of like Shopify thing. Because in affiliate marketing, as you grow, you become the brand, because people start trusting what you're selling, right? You start getting a name for yourself, and people start trusting what you're doing, and they're going to want to follow what you do, because they go, well, if Glenn can make money on it, I know that he looks at legitimate programs and he gets into legitimate programs. I'm going to follow Glenn and I'm going to join what he joins because I know that he really, vets the businesses that he's in. Do you make mistakes? Absolutely. We've all made mistakes. We've all joined companies that went belly up in 6 months or a year or whatever. It happens, even from some of the best trainers. Like there was a program I was in with Mark Hoverson, who was a top moneymaker online. He showed people how to make money, full-time income online, residual income. Very, very good coach. He unfortunately he passed away last year. The company that he was in, it went sideways because they got hit with a bunch of fraudulent charges, and then basically all their assets got seized, and they couldn't do anything. Was the company on the up and up? For the most part, I think it was. I mean, we were doing great. We were making great money. It was a coaching product. It was a great product, and the commissions were great. So going back to the fast way to make full-time money online, right? And this is to make a residual recurring income, is you need to get an offer. So what you're going to do, you need to join a program that has all the tools ready for you. Like you don't want to have to start creating this stuff from scratch. You don't want to do that mumble jumble. You want to have all the tools ready for you, that you basically just need to get eyeballs on that offer, right? Maybe there's a few things you have to do, a little tweak here, a little tweak there, but both basically it's you want to have an offer that's already done for you, and you just want to get eyeballs on it. The best way to get eyeballs on it is to pay for it. Like, that's the reality, guys. I've tried everything, even adverts, right? So here's an interesting thing. One of the programs I'm in actually has where you can buy leads through them, right? Last month I bought, I don't know, 400 leads or something like that. And what they do is they actually go do the advertising for us, do the Facebook ads. So I don't have to do any of that. I just get the leads deposit. The leads go into my account. There's already a email campaign that follows up with them, and then I follow up with an email. Like, that to me is the easiest way. And what does a lead cost me? I think it cost me $1.70 or something like that, or $1.50, which is way less than if I was to do it myself and pay that money out trying to get them. I'd probably be about $10 a lead if I looked at it through, if I was doing Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever, right? And maybe you're thinking like, wow, I have to pay that much money for a lead. Yeah, that's reality, guys. Like advertise. That's what advertising is. You pay so much, per lead, and then you want that lead to convert. So you once you get the lead, you need to do everything you can to convert that lead. The great thing is that when you have a great program that gives you the follow-up material, a lot of that work is done for you. Actually, 99% of the work is done for you. And those are the programs that I'm in. I belong to 3 main programs, and with some sort of software as a service that work with those 3 programs. Those 3 programs are my core business. I basically share them with people that want to do network marketing, they want to learn about marketing, or they need a basically a presence, an online presence. That's it. It's really that simple, guys. You need an online presence? Here's a program. Guess what? I make 100% commission from that. You want marketing training? Here's a program. I make 40% commission on it. If you want network marketing training, here's a program. I think I make 38% or 40% commission on that one as well. So that's basically what it is. And then all of them have a subscription service. So I make monthly income from those people. And that's really how you make money fast, guys. There's a lot of programs out there that they're like money gifting schemes, and they're like one-ups and crowdfunding. Guys, I highly recommend staying away from that stuff. It's not legitimate stuff. It's just basically money schemes. And you may go, oh no, it's great stuff. If you look at it closely and you can't, you don't know who the owner is, B, are you, if you're only making money from someone else joining the program without basically a product, then it's probably a money scheme. And you got to look closely at those, because they get shut down all the time. Or the owners just get a little bit of fear that they're going to be shut down. Boom, they disappear because they haven't been transparent. You don't even know who the owner is, right? So it's like, where did the money go? And all of a sudden, everything stops working. A lot of programs do that, come and go, come and go. And some of them even just, maybe the owners have the best intentions, but they just can't bring them to fruition and they can't make it into a program. So in order to make money fast, again, going over the criteria to make fast, the fast way to make full-time money online with a recurring passive income is to basically do affiliate marketing, find a program that pays it, that is established, has transparency, and three, has a recurring subscription fee, so you get paid a recurring commission. And four, send traffic to it. Either if maybe the company sells traffic that you can purchase, or I'll put some links below on basically what you should, the traffic that I use. Two of the best sources I found to get traffic from. All right, that's what I have for you guys too. I'm gonna put some links to some programs down below that you guys can check out. I recommend you can join them all for a couple of bucks and just see which one works best for you. Check them out. Go try them out. Experiment. See what's going on. Remember, you're in business. It's going to cost you some money to get started, to check out these things. Don't be afraid to throw some money at your business. Like if your purse is so tight that you can't throw a few bucks at your business, then you shouldn't be in business, right? You need to be able to have an operating budget where you can actually throw some money at, because when you want to scale, you're going to need to put some resources into it, because you know the return is coming back, right? You're putting in $1, you're getting $1.50 back. You're putting in $2, you're getting $5 back. You're putting in $10, you're getting $18 back. Whatever it is, right? Like it's starting to come back to you. You're like, yes, this is working. You need to be able to scale that. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. There's no, so many people want to do a free business online. Guys, it's pretty much impossible to do a completely 100% free business. I don't care. You can watch as many videos as you want on YouTube about free business. A lot of them is like you would have to be online 24/7 to make it happen, and creating content, and you still need to pay for server, website, all that kind of stuff. So check out the links below, see which one works best for you. Join my team. If you do join my team, I've got some great bonuses, some more training for you, and I'm here to help you get successful. Okay, that's what I have for you. Have a happy Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.